and once the clean light stops blinking and your dishwasher completes a cycle normally, the issue is resolved. On a KitchenAid dishwasher, a blinking clean light is not random, it's a warning that the cycle was interrupted or an error was detected. If basic resets don't work, the next step is identifying error codes. The clean light flashes in specific patterns, so count the number of blinks and note any pauses. These patterns point to issues like drainage problems, water leaks, or control board faults. Common problems include the dishwasher not draining properly, detecting water underneath the unit, or failing to heat water correctly. Before calling for service, inspect the physical components. Check and clean the filter and drain area to remove food debris. Inspect the drain hose for kinks or blockages and make sure it runs smoothly to the drain. Ensure the float switch moves freely, the spray arms rotate without obstruction, and the door gasket is clean and undamaged. If water is found under the dishwasher, drying the base and leak sensor may clear the error. Start troubleshooting with a reset. Unplug the dishwasher for 1 to 2 minutes, and plug it back in, or press and hold the cancel or drain button for about 3 seconds. On older models, use the control panel reset sequence by alternating high temp wash and energy saver or air dry 3 times, then pressing cancel. Also check that the control lock is not enabled, which can make the dishwasher appear unresponsive. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explained why the KitchenAid dishwasher clean light blinks and how to fix it step by step. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more appliance repair tips.